That $3 jar you've been keeping in your bathroom drawer, it's been solving $400 car problems for decades. Mechanics know it, fleet operators swear by it, and the auto industry has zero interest in telling you about it. Hi, I'm Stefan. I spent 15 years inside dealerships, and I can count on one hand how many times I saw Vaseline mentioned in a service manual, because it works too well. Today I'm giving you 17 Vaseline car tricks that professional mechanics use on their own vehicles. Some of these will sound too simple to be real. Every single one of them is. Stay with me until trick number 1, because that one alone could save you $600 this winter. Let's dive into it. Trick number 17, door and trunk seals. Every rubber seal on your car is slowly dying. UV exposure, temperature swings, and neglect turn flexible rubber into cracked, brittle strips that leak air, water, and noise. A dealer replacement seal runs $80 to $200 per door. A full reseal job, $400 to $600 easy. Apply a thin coat of Vaseline to every door seal, trunk seal, and sunroof gasket twice a year. And it restores flexibility, repels moisture, and prevents the rubber from bonding to the metal frame in winter, which is what causes that tearing sound when you open a frozen door. Your seals will last years longer, and your cabin stays quieter and drier for the price of a coffee. Trick number 16, battery terminals. Corrosion on battery terminals is one of the most common causes of no-start complaints I saw in 15 years. White and blue crust building up on those posts doesn't just look bad, it increases resistance, strains your alternator, and eventually prevents the car from starting entirely. After cleaning your terminals with baking soda and water, apply a thin layer of Vaseline to each post before reconnecting. It creates a moisture barrier that slows corrosion dramatically. This is standard practice in fleet maintenance. Trucks that need to start every morning, no excuses, use this trick religiously. Trick number 15, spark plug boots. When you change spark plugs, or even just remove a boot for inspection, apply a thin film of Vaseline to the inside of the boot before reinstalling. It prevents the boot from bonding to the ceramic insulator over time, which means next time you need to remove it, it slides off cleanly instead of tearing. A torn boot is a $40 to $80 part plus labor. Vaseline costs 3 cents per application. Trick number 14, door hinges and striker plates. Squeaky door hinges are annoying, but the real issue underneath the squeak is metal-on-metal wear that slowly damages the hinge pin. A thin coat of Vaseline on each hinge and on the striker plate, the metal loop the door latch engages, eliminates the squeak and protects the mechanism. Hinge replacement runs $150 to $300 per door at a shop. Vaseline takes 30 seconds. Trick number 13, key locks and door lock cylinders. If you live anywhere with cold winters, you've experienced a frozen door lock. The cylinder seizes, the key won't turn, and you're standing in a parking lot at 7 a.m. Apply Vaseline to your key and work it in and out of the lock cylinder a few times before winter hits. It lubricates the pins, repels moisture, and prevents freezing. It takes 10 seconds and costs nothing. Trick number 12, rubber grommets and wiring harness seals. Every wiring harness that passes through a firewall or body panel goes through a rubber grommet. Those grommets dry out, crack, and allow water and fumes into the cabin. A coat of Vaseline keeps them supple and sealed. This is a $0 fix for a problem that, left unchecked, can lead to electrical shorts and water damage that costs hundreds to diagnose. Trick number 11, antenna base seal. The rubber seal at the base of your antenna is almost always neglected. When it dries and cracks, water tracks down into the antenna mast housing and into the body panel, starting rust from the inside out. A dab of Vaseline on that seal twice a year keeps water out and buys you years of rust-free sheet metal. Trick number 10, hood latch and cable. Your hood latch cable runs from the release lever inside the cabin to the latch under the hood. Over time, the cable jacket cracks and the inner wire corrodes. When it fails, your hood either won't open, which means no oil changes without a dealership visit, or won't close properly. Apply Vaseline along the cable where it's exposed and on the latch mechanism itself. This is a $0 preventive fix for a $120 cable replacement. Before we keep going, I want to share something. A few days ago, someone left a comment on one of my videos. That's exactly why I'm here. $12, 5 minutes, problem solved. That's what this channel is about. So, which one of these have you already tried? Or which one are you trying this weekend? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you've got a Vaseline trick I haven't mentioned yet, I want to hear it. Please feel free to comment. Trick number 9, brake caliper slide pins. Engine off, gloves on, that's all you need. This one requires more care. Brake caliper slide pins allow the caliper to move freely as the brake pad wears. When they seize, which happens when their grease dries out, the caliper drags constantly on one side, causing uneven wear, pulling under braking and overheating. A seized caliper is a $200 to $400 repair. Proper lubrication on those pins during a brake job costs nothing. Vaseline works as a temporary lubricant here, not a permanent replacement for proper caliper grease. But in a pinch, it keeps things moving until you can get the right product. Trick number 8, convertible top seals and soft top zippers. If you own a convertible, your soft top zippers are one of the first things to fail. The teeth corrode, the zipper binds, and forcing it tears the fabric or breaks the slider. Apply Vaseline along the zipper teeth before and after the season. It keeps the metal moving freely and prevents the corrosion that makes replacement necessary. A convertible top zipper replacement runs $300 to $800 depending on the vehicle. Trick number 7, trunk and hood weather stripping adhesive prep. If you're replacing weather stripping yourself, clean the channel, let it dry completely, then apply a very thin layer of Vaseline to the channel walls before pressing the new strip in. It allows you to reposition the strip before it sets, and it prevents the adhesive from bonding so aggressively that future removal tears the body paint. Professionals use this technique during body shop reassembly. Trick number 6, plastic trim and dashboard prevention. Interior plastic, either the dashboard, door panels, pillar trim, fades, cracks, and shrinks from UV exposure and heat. A thin wipe of a Vaseline on plastic trim restores the color temporarily and slows degradation by creating a moisture barrier. It's not a permanent solution, but it buys time on older vehicles and keeps interior plastic from becoming brittle and snapping during removal. Trick number 5, sunroof drain channels. Sunroofs have drain channels in each corner that route water down through the pillars and out under the car. When those channels clog with debris, water backs up into the headliner and soaks the cabin floor. A coat of Vaseline on the rubber lips of the drain channel openings keeps debris from bonding and makes it easier to clear with a flexible brush. Water damage repair from a clogged sunroof drain. I've seen bills over $2,000 for headliner replacement and mold remediation. Trick number 4, dipstick and oil cap O-rings. The O-ring on your oil dipstick and oil filler cap dries out over time and stops sealing properly. Oil vapor escapes, smells accumulate, and eventually you get minor leaks around the cap. A thin coat of Vaseline on those O-rings, every oil change keeps them supple and sealing correctly. This is a 5-second step that extends the life of parts most people never replace until they're already leaking. I want to stop here for a second. The first time I used Vaseline on a vehicle, I was embarrassed to admit it. I was 3 years into my dealership career, and an older fleet mechanic named Roy, he'd been keeping a municipal truck fleet running for 30 years. He showed me his maintenance kit. It was a toolbox, a torque wrench, and a jar of Vaseline. I laughed. He didn't. He showed me a truck with 480,000 miles on it, original door seals, original battery cables, no corrosion, no water intrusion, no seized latches. Roy had been applying Vaseline to every rubber and metal interface on that truck every 6 months for a decade, and I never laughed at a simple solution again. The most expensive repairs I've seen in 15 years of dealership work were almost always caused by something cheap that was ignored. Vaseline costs $3. The repairs it prevents cost thousands. That's the information the industry never had any reason to give you. I do. Trick number 3, rubber fuel line and vacuum hose connections. When reconnecting rubber vacuum hoses or fuel line connections during maintenance, a very thin coat of Vaseline on the fitting makes the hose slip on cleanly without tearing. Forced connections on dry rubber are one of the most common causes of cracked hoses during DIY repairs. A cracked vacuum hose causes rough, idle, poor fuel economy, and check engine lights. A cracked fuel line is a safety issue. Vaseline on the fitting takes only 2 seconds. Trick number 2, wheel well plastic liner clips. Those plastic clips holding your wheel well liners in place are almost always broken or missing on older vehicles because they were removed, dry, and snapped. Before reinstalling any plastic clip into a body panel, coat the clip shaft in Vaseline. It inserts cleanly, locks securely, and can be removed again without breaking. A full set of replacement clips is $15 to $40, but once you break the panel itself, you're looking at $200 for a new liner. Trick number 1, door lock De-Icer alternative in winter. Every winter, people buy $6 to $10 cans of De-Icer spray for frozen door locks and seals. And every winter, that spray evaporates, leaves no protection behind. And they buy another can next month. Before the first freeze, apply Vaseline to every door seal, every lock cylinder, and every rubber gasket on the exterior of your car. It doesn't just fix a frozen door, it prevents it from happening in the first place. 1 jar, applied once before winter, replaces $40 to $60 in seasonal De-Icer products, and it protects the rubber at the same time. That's the trick fleet operators have used on vehicles that need to start and open every single day regardless of temperature. And so, now you have it too. If this video just saved you money, you now know how to prevent the $2,000 sunroof water damage, the $600 seal replacement, and the $400 caliper job that comes from ignoring $3 worth of preventive maintenance. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss what the industry doesn't want you to know. And share this video. It takes 1 second and it might save the next driver a repair bill they never saw coming. Now tell me in the comments, which trick surprised you most? Or is there a Vaseline use on cars I missed? I read every single one. And next time I'm going to show you what happens when you pour one specific product into your gas tank once a month. Dealerships call it a myth. The mechanics I know use it on their own cars. You don't want to miss that one. I'll see you in the next one.